Hello, wonderful viewers, and a hearty welcome to today's flavorful escapade. Buckle up as we embark on a delectable journey into the enchanting realm of Italian cuisine. It's a world where every meal is a celebration, and where pasta isn't just sustenance. It's a passionate affair. If, by the end of this video, you discover yourself whimsically twirling your spaghetti with newfound gusto or earnestly arguing over the merits of San Marzano tomatoes, then congratulations, you've been smitten by the irresistible charm of Italian gastronomy. So, let's get ready to savor the sights, sounds, and flavors of Italy as we dive deep into its culinary treasures. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to tantalize your taste buds. Pizza margherita. Now, let's talk about one of Italy's favorite dishes, pizza margherita. This pizza is named after Queen Margherita of the Kingdom of Italy. Legend has it that during Queen Margherita's visit to Naples, the famous pizzaiolo Raffaele Esposito made this special pizza, and when the Queen tasted it, she absolutely loved it. As they say, if the Queen approved it, it must be good. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this pizza so special? First of all, it is incredibly delicious. It is made with a thin crust, fresh tomato slices, fresh mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil leaves. And that's it. So simple, yet so amazing. This is where the magic of Italian minimalism shines. They can turn something so simple into something so mesmerizing. But wait, there's more. It is no coincidence that pizza margherita resembles the colors of the Italian flag. Red tomatoes, white mozzarella cheese, and green basil represent the colors of the Italian flag. So this pizza not only fills your tummy, but also your national pride. All in all, pizza margherita is a masterpiece of Italian cuisine and one of the most beloved pizzas worldwide. If you still think you're eating an ordinary cheese pizza, meet pizza margherita and get a taste of royalty sitting on the pizza throne. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Linguine alle vongole? Linguine alle vongole is a classic Italian dish that combines linguine pasta with fresh clams. The name literally translates to linguine with clams in English. It's a favorite among seafood lovers, and it's particularly popular in regions like southern Italy. Imagine perfectly cooked linguine pasta tossed in a savory garlic and white wine sauce, and adorned with tender clams that pop open to release their delicious briny juices. And it's a harmonious dance of flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to the Italian coastline. And here's a fun fact. Linguine alle vongole has a special place in the hearts of Italians. It's often seen as a dish to enjoy on warm summer evenings by the sea, sipping on a glass of crisp white wine and savoring the taste of the Mediterranean. So, whether you're a seafood enthusiast or simply an adventurous eater, give linguine alle vongole a try, and you'll be saying buon appetito in no time. Risotto alla Milanese. Risotto alla Milanese is an exquisite Italian dish from the city of Milan. It is a rich and creamy saffron risotto, known for its vibrant yellow colors and exquisite flavor. Imagine a perfectly cooked velvety risotto infused with the aroma of saffron, a precious spice that adds both color and a distinctive flavor to the dish. This saffron-infused rice is often accompanied by butter, onions, white wine, and grated Parmesan cheese, creating a luxurious and indulgent flavor profile. Unique and elegant in character, this dish is a popular choice for special occasions and celebrations. It is a true testament to the art of Italian cuisine, where simple ingredients are transformed into something truly extraordinary. Fun fact, risotto alla Milanese is often served with another Milanese specialty, osso buco, creating a harmonious combination that is famous not only for its flavor, but also for its visual appeal. So if you are in the mood for a feast for both the eyes and the palate, risotto alla Milanese is an Italian classic that will not disappoint you. Buon appetito, by the way. Have you subscribed yet? Come on, just 5 seconds. Ossobuco. Ossobuco is a classic Italian dish that hails from Milan, Italy. The name ossobuco translates to bone with a hole in English, which is a reference to the marrow-filled bone at the center of the dish. This marrow is considered a delicacy in Italian cuisine. Ossobuco is typically made with cross-cut veal shanks that are braised to tender perfection. The dish is known for its hearty and flavorful sauce, which is made by simmering the veal shanks with a combination of white wine, broth, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, tomatoes, and various aromatic herbs and spices. The slow cooking process allows the meat to become incredibly tender, and the marrow in the bone adds a rich and buttery flavor to the sauce. Ossobuco is traditionally served over a bed of risotto alla Milanese, which pairs perfectly with the savory sauce. This dish is a celebration of Milanese cuisine and is often enjoyed as a special treat for special occasions. Its comforting and complex flavors make it a favorite among those who appreciate the depth and richness of Italian cooking. So, if you're looking for a taste of Italy's culinary heritage and a dish that's both hearty and elegant, ossobuco is a must-try. Buon appetito! Lasagna! Lasagna is an iconic Italian dish that has captured the hearts and appetites of people around the world. It's a hearty and indulgent pasta dish made with layers of wide, flat lasagna noodles, rich meat sauce, ragu, creamy bechamel sauce, and plenty of cheese. Imagine tender pasta sheets blanketed in a luscious tomato-based meat sauce, which can include ground beef, pork, and sometimes even sausage. In between these saucy layers, there's a velvety bechamel sauce that adds a creamy and luxurious texture. And let's not forget the generous sprinkling of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese that turns golden and bubbly during baking, creating a delightful crust. Lasagna is not only a crowd pleaser, but also a versatile dish. You can customize it to your liking by adding vegetables, mushrooms, or even spinach for a vegetarian version. It's often baked until it's bubbling and browned on top, filling the kitchen with an irresistible aroma. This Italian classic is a comfort food favorite and is perfect for family gatherings, holidays, or any occasion when you want to savor layers of flavor and warmth. Whether you're a fan of Italian cuisine or simply love hearty, cheesy dishes, lasagna is sure to satisfy your cravings. Buon appetito! Thank you all for embarking on this incredible culinary journey with us as we explore the depths of Italian cuisine. If you found this video both entertaining and informative, we would greatly appreciate your support by hitting the subscribe button and giving us a like. By doing so, you'll not only be notified of our future delectable content, but you'll also empower us to continue bringing you the flavors of the world. Speaking of future content, we want to hear from you. Please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. Let us know which Italian dishes you would like to see in future videos, or what other cuisines you would like to explore with us. Your feedback is our secret ingredient. Now it's your turn to take these incredible Italian recipes and make them your own. Be creative in your own kitchen, enjoy the rich flavors, and remember that cooking is a beautiful form of self-expression. Thank you for joining us on this delicious adventure, and we hope your culinary experiences are as rich and satisfying as these Italian classics. Bon appetit, everyone, and until we meet again in our next culinary exploration, happy cooking!